All right. Do you know what climate change is?
I do.
Okay, what is it?
It is changes in global temperature caused by greenhouse gases that have led to changes in climate.
That's correct. Do you know how mountain ranges affect climates?
I know that they do affect climates, but I couldn't tell you how.
Okay, so there's north-south facing mountain ranges like in North America and east-west facing mountain ranges like in Europe. Like the Alps, they face east-west and they block the hot Mediterranean air that's also moist, and it prevents it from mixing with the cold Northern Europe air. And when the two different air masses mix, that's how you get more severe weather events. And so Europe does not have a lot of those, and North America does, because we have like the Rockies are north-south facing and the Appalachians are north-south facing. Have you ever heard the term phenological spring or phenological autumn?
Interestingly, only when you mentioned that to me earlier, but I don't know what it means.
So phenological spring is when the buds of specific plants open, and phenological autumn is when the leaves of specific trees change color. And in the northern hemisphere, compared to 1959, spring is coming 6 days earlier and fall is coming 5 days later. And that is one example of how we know the climate is changing. Another is sea level rise, and it used to be 1.5 to 2 centimeters increase a decade, and now it is 3 centimeters. Do you know what % of the atmosphere is greenhouse gases?
It's less than 3%.
It's less than 1%. And do you know what greenhouse gases do?
They raise the temperature.
Yeah, they absorb infrared radiation, which absorbs heat and increases the temperature. And then comparing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere from 2014 to pre-industrial, carbon dioxide in 2014 was 401 parts per million, compared to pre-industrial was 288 parts per million. Methane was 848 parts per million, and in parts per billion actually, and in 2014 it was 1,874 parts per billion. Do you know what the most abundant greenhouse gas is?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct.